What you cooking?
Brats. Wish we could do it on the grill.
Yummy.
We don't have one.
Yeah, unfortunately with this Airbnb we don't have a grill. But
Now tell me,
we got this.
how do you guys open your cans with a can opener? You open it on top? Or you do like everybody else and open it on the side?
Aren't you supposed to open it on top?
Maybe. Maybe not. But this one's dented because somebody dropped it.
Yeah, I
Can't
did.
even try to open it from the side.
I just dropped it like the second I pulled it out of the cabinet. I dropped it.
Well, this one's
Almost
on
on my toes, but thankfully it was not my toes.
can of corn.
Yeah, that's a sore spot. We're not going to talk about the can of corn.
Well, can opener number 1 did not work.
There's 3 in there. See, the thing about these Airbnbs is you can buy things and leave them for like the next guest. So that's probably what happened. Somebody probably bought stuff and left it, which is fine because now we get to use it. Yay! More cans open. Whoop whoop. And we're just throwing this in the microwave. We're gonna probably have to use a couple different bowls.
One bowl.
I don't think we have any. See, these are the bowls that are in here. I don't think we have any big bowls. Nope. All plates, so we'll have to use a couple different bowls. And this little babe over here found herself a strainer. What are you doing, Mama? Hey, cutie. What you doing?
Look at this. That's good coffee.
That's good coffee?
Yeah.
That's leftover coffee.
That's leftover coffee from someone else, but it's good.
Yeah, we don't have any like sugar or creamer though, so I won't be having any coffee. But there are filters back there and a coffee machine, so that's a nice coffee maker. What you doing, Lilybug? Coming to cook? What do you got? What do you got? Oh, thank you.
Thanks.
Oh, she said no, I want it back. Let's go check on Sissy. Come on, let's go find Sissy. Oh, don't fall. We're gonna find Sissy. Last I checked, she was gonna get in the pool.
This is for you. So this is a cannonball. I'm running out of water now.
Sophie loves to swim. She just learned how to swim a couple years ago.
Watch. I'm
She
gonna
just got confident with her swimming last year. Now she's doing really good.
watch me. I'm gonna jump in 6 feet, and it's really deep. 3, 2, 1.
Good job, Sophie.
Thanks.
Wants to be a mermaid when she grows up.
What?
I said, you want to be a mermaid when you grow up?
Yep.
Is it done yet? Why not?
Because it ain't done yet.
Well, why?
Because it's not.
I'm hungry.
Okay,
Let me see that yummy delicious stuff.
5 more minutes. It'd be better if they're on the grill.
Yeah, there would be, but we don't have that luxury. Oh, it's gonna be so yummy. Can't wait to eat it. Dum 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 dum. So right here has all A's and 1 B on her report card. So we are about to go get her a special little treat.
Ice cream.
Yeah, get her some. All right, we got our ice cream. What do you think, Sophie?
It's really good. So I got strawberry with vanilla mixed up together.
And then me and Daddy got chocolate and vanilla and a waffle cone. It's from Tasty Treats. It's pretty good.
I love
Twisty treats, not tasty treats.
Oh, twisty treats. Oops. I'm sorry. Tasty treats. If you could learn how to talk, that'd be great. It's twisty treats. Not tasty. Twisty. You know, because it got a twist. Twisty treats. Oh boy. Just kidding. I wish we were going, but they're still closed, unfortunately. We were actually supposed to be here in a couple of weeks, but next week, yeah, just didn't happen. It looks like the backside of Galaxy's Edge.
Was that supposed to be the castle?
No, that's the backside of Galaxy's Edge where Star Wars is.
Oh.
There's the Swan and Dolphin. Back there. Oh, there's Tower of Terror.
That looks like Hollywood Studios.
That is Hollywood Studios back there. That's the backside of Tower of Terror. Back under the bed. Oh my gosh, these girls are too silly. Now all I see is their little footsies and toes. Oh my goodness. Where'd you go? Where are you at?
What?
Are you stuck?
What?
Are you stuck?
No.
Oh. You're making me claustrophobic just being down there.
What?
You're making me claustrophobic. Where's your sister?
Behind me.
Lily.
She sees my little bites.
Lily. No, Lily.
I'll get it.
Where are you at?
She's
Liliana. Found your sister's water bottle. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're so silly. Sissy. Are you in? I got you.
I turned down the volume so you wouldn't find me.
Yeah, she got you, Ladybug. Today we took the little ride around Disney. Took Sophia to get ice cream to celebrate her awesome grades. Be sure to congratulate her because she has been working very hard to get to where she is in bed. Angel is trying to get Liliana to go to sleep, and I am tired. I am as early as possible to have as much of my day to enjoy as I can. So I'm tired. We're all very tired. This has been a very long journey, but it was definitely needed. Our bodies, minds, souls, all of that needed some sunshine and some warmth, so it was nice to get that. But anyways, we hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe, and catch us next time on Go With The Flow.